Hola, Eli. Hola. Oh, ¿qué vendes? Gracias.
Welcome to the Cackle Music Review right here at Underwood Family Farms. Look over your shoulder. You would have a comb over. There's your comb. Hey, low.
What happened?
How do cows get there? But how do cows get there?
How did the cows get there? I don't know. Let's go find Daddy. Come on. Put your seatbelt on.
You ready?
Eli, do you have your seatbelt on?
Yeah.
All right.
We're ready over here.
Are you gonna drive it? No. Let's go.
¿Se alcanza tus pies, animal?
No, no alcanzo, mire.
Súbalos arriba como el muchacho. Vamos manejando.
Here we go.
Hey, this tractor's all bumpy.
A little bumpy. We're gonna go like this.
But I don't want to go.
It's not a lot.
Okay, let's go, Eli. Here it goes.
Go, Eli.
Oh yeah, you saw the orange. Look at that. Yeah, those are orange. Where?
El niño anda cortando naranja.
We're gonna cut oranges when we come back. Hey, you want oranges? Look at that. Eso no alcanzarla.
Yeah. So bumpy. Ay, no. Bye. No sé cómo se llama, mi amor.
¿Cuál, mijo? Oh, a little more. It almost bounced in.
You did?
It almost bounced in. Shoot a little bit to the right. The wind is pulling to the left.
What are you gonna do to it?
This is the other stuff you can.
All the way back and maybe
Ahorita cuando se desocupe uno.
So you're just gonna help me put it all the way back now. All the way back. Yeah, it's all that's scaling. All the way back. All the way back.
Hey, you have one.
All right, one. Let it go on the count of three, okay? 1, 2, 3. Let it go. Let it go, Eli. Let it go.
Suéltalo, papi.
Suéltalo.
Whoa!
so cool.
Hasta atrás, va, hasta atrás. Ahí va, así, así. Súbase, súbase, súbase. Oh, ¿y le va a dar? ¡Ay!
Ya le suelto.
Ya, ya. ¡Ay!
Ahí va.
Se va. Nada. Baila, you got this.
¿Qué pasó, Eli?
Here, papi. ¿Qué traes en tu botecito? A ver, enséñame aquí en la cámara. ¡Wow! Muchos chícharos. Tu grandpa los está encontrando. Mira esta vaina, ¿lo tiene? Estos. Este es un
¿Está
chícharo.
divirtiendo, Ramón? ¿Sí?
Trying to find your room.
Well root.
Like we
¿Te recordó de ese tiempo, Ramón? Sí.
Mira, esto tiene muchos, mira. Mira, papi, este está bien bueno, mira. Este
where's this one?
está triste. Agarra este, mira. Ese es so good.
¿Te había gustado mi papá también?
Ahí hay más. Aquí está otro, mira. Aquí. This one, this
No me
one.
olvidó, ahí te lo enseña,
Este. Esos dos.
¿Dónde está Ramón?
Find this house.
Good job, Eli. Wow, that's so cool. Este ya no sirve. He likes this. ¿Qué encontraste? ¡Ay, qué bueno!
¿Te gusta más que allá?
No quiso juntar huevos. Él quiso juntar vegetales. Happy Easter, Eli. Oh, you're welcome. Eli, ¿tú quieres ir a juntar huevitos?
¿Quieres cortar chícharos?
¿Quieres juntar huevitos o quieres juntar chícharos?
There's so many here. Oh, good job, Eli.
Okay, I think that's it, papi, que ya se llenó.
Mire, ahí están abajo, Ramón.
Oh my God, good job. ¿A dónde vas? Oh, ¿quieres orange? ¿Está bueno, papi? Mm.
¡Avocado! Leo, avocado.
Leo.
¿Leyó? Ya, leyó. Es avocado. Ah, mi viejo.
¿Qué son estos, Eli?
Oranges.
Son mandarinas. Acá nos metimos, pa. Eli, ten cuidado con este alambre, ¿ok? Ese alambre pica.
They work.
Dame esa, mi amor. Yo la agarro. Sí. Ahí hay otra metida ahí. Ahí metida. Oh, this has thorns, ¿ok? Sí. Ese pica. Este árbol tiene espinas. Ahí, Eli. Ese, Eli.
This one right here.
The big orange, Eli. The big orange.
On my pinky.
Eli, look at Daddy's finger.
Pinky.
Get it. La grande que está ahí adentro.
That one. Right here, my
Esa, mi amor. Esa. Agárrala, agárrala, agárrala. La orange,
Eso,
baby, la
right here.
orange.
Aquí, ese. Este le dice thorn. There you go.
Like, get those and like, they're gonna fall down.
Please, dice. ¿Y verdad, dónde?
Se quedó del otro lado.
I see it.
Yeah.
One?
Ajá.
Oh, two.
Wow, cool. Are you having fun?
Yeah.
Okay, go with Daddy. Daddy found more over there. Go.
Mira. The top of the tree.
Acá están, papá. Acá están.
Okay, this one is green. This one is
Oh,
Oh my God. Oh my God. Eli. Mira todas esas, mi amor. Este árbol está lleno, pa.
this one.
Mm.
There's big ones right there. ¿Vas a tratar, Ramón?
Must be nice. I'm just recording, not eating anything.
It was right inside.
There's red inside.
Don't eat it yet, okay?
You okay?
¿Te cayó en el ojo? Mira, aquí.
Those are big ones right here.
Oh my God, all the way on the
Mira,
top.
mira, mira.
Oh, yeah, right there. See it right here.
Aviéntalas aquí.
But there's that small hole.
Aviéntalas. Que caigan ahí. Eso. Eso. Good job. Mira, y esa grandotota. Oh my God. Oh my goodness.
¿Sigue la grandota?
No, ahí está arriba todavía.
Right there, mira, mira.
Eli, look, there's so many big ones. Over here, in the front. There you go. Oh, so big. You got this. You got it. Okay, just pull the orange.
Eso, come on. Eso.
Oh
You got a big one,
my God.
guys.
Wow, that was
You got a
awesome.
big one.
Whoa.
Yummy!
Bien bueno.
Can I try orange one? I mean, can I try the yellow one that sweet?
What are you eating, Eli?
Snappy.
Snappies?
Te estás divirtiendo, mi amor.
¿Qué anda comiendo acá, Ramón? ¿Toronjas, mira? Qué bárbaro. Wow. Oh my goodness.
Eli, estas son muchas plantas.
Like yours.
There's so many. What do you think about this one?
Oh, no. That's not right.
You don't think so?
Look, it's green on the bottom. See? It's green on the bottom.
Oh, let's put it in there. It might get better.
You want to try it?
Oh,
Go here. Good.
¿Sí? ¿Tan dulces? Mira, allá atrás también está otra. Mira, esta es bien bonita, está allá atrás. La grandotota. Oh my God! Look at this one. Eli. Esta. ¿Te la corto? Okay, try it.
Those are so good. Oh, this is so much fun, babe.
Yes, it is. Hmm. A ver, la quiere probar de ahí, amor.
Oh.
La quiere probar desde ahí.
Oh, right there? Okay, try it. One more.
What happened?
I'm trying to.
A ver las fresas que agarraste, baby. Oh my goodness. You like grabbed all those?
Yep.
That's so many strawberries, Eli.
Yeah.
Now where are we going?
Oh, you can go around that path.
Where are we going now? All right, let's go. Let's try to get some more beets.
Okay, vente pues.
Your dad is right there. ¿Qué dice Ramón?
Pull up. Pull up, up, up. Ahí, Sira, así. Tug like this. Muévela así. You gotta go like that. Para ver qué es lo que hay adentro. Mira. It's coming out. I wonder what that is.
It's like onion. See, it's like the onion is that pan.
Pull it now. What is it? That's a root. Yeah. Yeah, shake it, because it has dirt. That's it. Come on. Just one. Vamos a ver qué más allá cabe. Ahorita vamos a ir. Ay, caray.
These are round carrots. Yeah. So here we have carrots. This is cilantro.
A ver, ¿qué están haciendo ustedes? Oh, están cortando los... Oh, ¿papi te está ayudando?
Look at airplane.
Oh, está bien grandote.
Look at what Grandpa has over there.
I get carrots too.
Be careful, este es cilantro, ¿eh? Ten cuidado con el cilantro. Estas son carrots, papi, look. Esta planta es de...
Agarra la más grande, dile.
La que está más grandota, Eli.
But this one is good.
Dile a Grandpa que él te ayude, él sabe cómo.
¿Ven?
Oh, esa estaba bien chiquita, mi amor.
Más en medio vamos, más grande. Sí.
Yeah.
Mira, muestra.
Agárrala así.
Oh,
Deje-
yeah.
Ok. Que te dé tu Grandpa el bonchecito de...
Yo te digo cuál, mira, mi joven. Yo te digo cuál va hasta acá. quieta. Vamos, arriba.
¡Ay! Sí, salieron chiquitas. No, yo pensé que tu grandpa sabía. What happened, Eli?
That can go on the ground.
Yeah. What type of plant is it? You can cut that one. Cut it. Cut that one. Yeah. Oh, that one's big. See.
Look, like,
He wants to cut another beetroot. Esa está chiquita, papi. A ver. Oh, no, that one was big. Good job, Eli.
oh, there's carrots.
Wow. Pero estás cortando las chiquititas, bebé.
Yeah, those are
The
ready.
big ones. Get the big ones.
The one, oh, these are sorry.
Yeah, there you go.
Como que la gente nomás corta y ya vámonos.
Oh, this one.
Yeah.
This one.
Yeah, those are cool.
Acomódalas así como grandpa. Wow.
But I have to pick more carrots.
You can get another one.
Yeah, get another one.
Get another one, Papa. And
Oh,
see.
these are big.
Oh, okay. Let's see.
Big.
Oh yeah, that's big.
Ooh, that was good, handsome.
Oh, there it is. You got
Whoa.
the big one.
So cool.
You're good. Okay, we got 3.
Agárralos. Llévate los beetroots y las... ¿Cómo se llaman? Y las carrots.
But my roots are gonna fall down.
Your roots are gonna fall down. Vámonos. A ver, déjale tomar una foto. Wow, Eli. Oh, whoa, whoa.
Starting to fall down.
Okay, well, slow down. That's beautiful.
Oh, bro, there's a lot of carrots. So, good job. Where'd you get the bag? How you say? Where'd you get the bag?
My dad got it.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, you can just... Come on. Hey, come on. Come on this way. Come on. Come inside.
Okay. Ayúdale, mami. Ayúdale, mami.
Come on.
Yeah, you took it out. Vente, ahora sí. Come on.
Vamos juguito, ¿verdad, Ramón?
These are the easiest.
You're not gonna be facing down anytime.
That's fine. You can take that too.
Are you having fun, Eli?
Lactose निकाल दो उसको.
Are you having fun, Eli?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm hungry though.
Yeah, I'm hungry too.
I'm hungry.
Let's go grab something to eat.
Why are you girls crying? Wait, why are girls crying?
I don't know, baby.
It's water.
That was a mist.
What's it? Water, Mom. You just saw whale. It's so big. Whale.
Yeah.
Can
¿Te quieres llevar uno? Lo tienes que pagar primero. Eli, what was your favorite part about the Easter hunt?
My favorite part is this when we pick out the carrots and vegetables.
Yeah.
Yeah. I want a carrot too.
You want one?
Yeah.
I can wash it for you.
Wash it. Mom,
Yep.
you know, this one is the root.
Yeah, it's the root. You want me to wash it for you? So you can eat it?
And why this is the root?
That's what grows underground. All of these are roots. These two.
Oh, those are roots. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Do you want me to wash it for you?
Sure.
Okay.